Hi there, Robin here, and in this video I'm going to be covering the PreSonus AUDIOBOX iONE. This is an incredible little audio interface that gives you a lot of features. The most important part is the I in iONE. That means we have something that's also not just going to work for our PC or Mac, but it will also work with our iPad. So what do you get with one of these PreSonus AUDIOBOX iONEs? Well, you're going to get something that allows you to plug in either a regular dynamic or condenser microphone right here. You can also plug in your instrument or guitar, bass guitar right here. You also have gain controls for both of these. Then you're going to have your phantom power, because without the phantom power, we're not going to get that condenser microphone to work. And then we have an option to go direct. Direct means that I'm going to take whatever I've got plugged in here and have it come straight out the headphones or out our main monitors. Now this big knob, of course, this is reference to our main output, which is located in the back. And then the small knob is for the headphones, which are located in the front. Now when we spin the unit around, so the first thing we notice is that we've got two USB ports on the back of this unit, not just one. The first one is our standard USB-B port, which is going to be plugging into our computer. That's for our PC or our Mac. It's also going to get power that way as well. So no power supply required for this unit. Next to that, you have it says device. In this case, that's for our iPad. We'll be able to use our standard cable, whichever iPad you have, going from here to the iPad, and that is going to allow you to capture all your audio directly on your iPad. Then from the iPad, you can wirelessly send your audio file back for your computer. On this side here, we have 1/4 inch left and right. This is going to be how you plug in your monitors for playback. Now the box itself, it's all aluminum off to the top and bottom, including the front, and it's got that brushed blue gunmetal finish to it. And then we have a plastic nice wraparound with, PreSonus's name put into it. Very easy unit. I mean, if you're using this for a podcast or for, as I do here, videos, or if you are starting off with music, this is going to get the job done really well. You don't have to break the bank, especially if you only need one mic input and one instrument input. And again, the advantage here is if you have an iPad and you just want to sit back, record something, or play something into it and just capture it real time and not have to pull out your laptop or go to your computer to do all this work, that's a big advantage to having a unit this simple. It's small enough and light enough that you can throw it into a bag with whatever you have and take it with you. Outside of that, the brand is, you can't go wrong with PreSonus. Doesn't matter which particular product you buy. This is definitely a company who really focuses on the audio interface as being the soul of the company. They have a full line of product. This isn't something they dabble in. This is what their company's all about. So you can't go wrong for longevity, reliability, and all the support you're going to need. And when I talk about support, we're talking about software and questions. If you have questions, of course, you can always go back to PreSonus. You can always find a lot of videos where people are supporting the product and talking about the product. The software is very detailed. You can always go, again, check out everything that comes with it. For the amount of money you spend on just buying the audio interface, the software is always worth more than the package, because they are such a big company. They can put a lot of different options in one box for you to download and play around with. Again, the idea is to keep it simple, not complicated, and to have a lot of fun when you're actually doing your audio recordings. You don't want to have to put a lot of work into just trying to figure out how to use an audio interface. You want to basically plug it in, turn on your software, and start recording. I mean, that's what it's really about. This is definitely going to get the job done. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Again, if you're looking for straightforward, easy to use, great performance, because performance is what really counts at the end of the day, PreSonus AUDIOBOX iONE is a great place to start. Remember, this whole time we have been recording on an actual AUDIOBOX iONE, so what you hear right now is an MPM 1000 from Marantz, along with the AUDIOBOX iONE. So I hope this helped you out in your buying decision today. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. I'd like to say thanks for watching, and bye for now.